traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 26th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, a little bit of a slow day on the dollar pairs. The euro dollar was actually not too bad compared to some other pairs. Today was a bank holiday for the UK, and a lot of volume does come out of the UK, so I think that has a lot to do with it. Tomorrow, there's a few things to watch out for. We got this housing news, probably not a big deal, but we do have consumer confidence tomorrow and manufacturing index tomorrow for the US. Definitely keep an eye on those news events, especially the consumer confidence, which comes out at the same time as manufacturing anyway, so definitely keep an eye out for that. That should be a pretty decent one. So anyways, to me, this move down right here definitely looks like a trend. I think we are likely a wave A down. I think this move up is likely a wave B, and I think there's a pretty good chance it will go down again for a wave C. Keep your eye on these black Fibonacci levels that I have right here, which is the Fibonacci retracement of this last move down for the end of a wave B and potentially the continuation of this move down for a wave C. Then I would keep an eye on these red Fibonacci levels before potentially the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend, maybe by tomorrow's US dollar news. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.